For now, Burundi is helping itself. It's first light, and the people of Burundi are waking up early for a united effort to rebuild the nation. Every Saturday, except on the rare occasion they are given a day off, the nation is mobilised, including the president. Today, this village is taking the first steps to build its own school, and the nation's self-described born-again Christian president is leading the way. The government has promised universal health care and compulsory free primary education, but schools and health clinics are in short supply. In a nation strapped for cash, everyone is called on to help. Just as Burundi's people are learning to live in peace, so too are the nation's leaders.
And you're getting your hands dirty today?
Yes, of course. We have through the whole country. We mobilize around 4 million people. 4 million people every Saturday. The whole country now, they are what we call now community works.